Think about your fire alarm system. What if when you needed it, it didn't work correctly, causing expensive damages, damaging your emergency response rate, or even creating false alarms that could harm your reputation? At TechServe, we maintain your fire alarm systems, keeping your business compliant, and make sure every component is working as it should, letting you rest easy with a compliant and reliable system for your business. With packages that can be tailored to your exact requirements, we maintain your system to keep your people, processes, and property safe.